Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So guys, I went to Walgreens today and got everything that you see here in this cart that retails over $70 for completely free, and I made about $20 and change. Yeah, let me show you how. Alright guys, so I actually have a couple of spin boosters I'm putting together, but this Old Spice deal is actually really good. We're going to grab 3 of the body washes that are normally priced $7.49 or $8.49 that is on sale for $7. Now there is a 5 off 3 digital coupon. I also have a 3 off 1 and a 2 off 1 coupon. So I'm not sure what's going to come off, but regardless, 5 should come off from this total of $21. So that's going to leave you at $16 out of pocket. When you buy 3 of them, you're going to get $5 in Walgreens cash back. And we also are going to submit to Ibotta for $2.50 back on 1 for these. So that's $7.50 back. That leaves us at a final cost of just $3.50 for all 3, which is an amazing deal. But when you put this with a booster, it's going to be a freebie. Alright, so this next deal I have is on the Dove. Now, you can do more than just the Men Plus Care, but that is what I'm going to get this week. I'm loading up on some body wash for my husband and my son. So what we're going to do is grab 3 of them. They're regularly priced $7.99, but they're on sale for $7. That's going to take you to $21 total. When you spend $20 or more on Dove, you're going to get $5 in Walgreens cash. So we're going to qualify for that. There's also a 6 off 2 digital coupon that we're going to use. That's going to take us down to $15 out of pocket, get $5, and then it's going to be our $5 in Walgreens cash, and then that's going to leave us at $10 total. However, we are going to put this with a booster, and on top of it, when you submit to Fetch, for every $15 you spend on Dove products, you're going to get $3 back. So that leaves us at a really great deal. So I have this amazing deal here. We have $42 of product with the sale prices, that is. There's actually going to be more expensive if you factor in the real prices. I have a 10 back on 25 digital booster, and I'm going to add in this $9 when you spend 30 paper booster, so they're going to combine together. So $42 total with those 2 boosters. Then I have a 6 off 2 for the Dove and a 5 off 3 for the Old Spice. So out of pocket is $31, but I'm going to get 5 back for the Dove, 5 back for the Old Spice, plus 9 back from the booster and 10 back from the digital booster. That's going to leave me at $29 in Walgreens cash. On top of it, I'm going to get $7.50 back from Ibotta for the Old Spice, and then I'm also going to get $3 back for the Dove from Fetch. That's going to make this entire basket completely free and an $8.50 moneymaker. This is absolutely amazing. Now, I'm not going to do this deal, but this might be a great one to throw some Walgreens cash at. Is these, this particular deal is 4 for $9 on things like this very small Unstoppables. It's super cute. The Tide Simply is also included in this. So Simply Pods is also included, but my store is completely wiped. Somebody has grabbed them all because it is such a good price. And then you could also grab this little Downy here if you'd like. Now, we don't have coupons to go with any of this, but it's a really great price. And if you have a bunch of Walgreens cash built up and you need to spend it on something, it's a really great deal since a lot of these things are, you know, $6 normal price, and they're now down 4 for $9. That is an amazing deal. All right, just in case you are needing some sort of filler item for a, you know, booster, or if you just need some Dawn soap or just soap in general, there's a really great deal here on these 7.5 ounce bottles of Dawn. They're super cute. They're regularly priced $1.49, but they're on sale for $1.24. When you buy 2 in the same transaction, you're going to get a $1 register reward back. It makes them just 74 cents, which is a really great deal. And this is a great one just to grab, you know, if you need it, but it's also a great little filler. All right, I saw this on YouTube today. I want to say Couponing with Kayla, where they have this clearance Revlon makeup for $5.99. You want to grab 2 of them. They're actually on sale. Buy one, get one 50% off. So 2 of them are $8.99. And so we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. So that is going to bring you down to $5.99. And then Ibotta has a rebate for 4 back on 1. So you'll get $8 back for 2 of them. It's going to make 2 of them completely free, and actually, $2.01 Moneymaker. So I'm going to try out this deal in a separate transaction. Fingers crossed it goes well. So I absolutely love when a deal goes better than expected, or when it actually goes expected, much less better than expected. So my first deal I grabbed the Dove. I grabbed the 3 Doves on sale for $7, and then the 3 Old Spices also on sale for $7, which is $42 total. I used a 9 back when you spend 30 paper booster, as well as a 10 back on 25 digital booster. My 6 off 2 coupon came off, as well as 2 of the Old Spice. So I told you I wasn't sure how it was going to work, whether the 5 off 3 would come off first or the 3 and the 2, but either way I was going to get $5 total. So I did. The 3 and the 2 both came off. The subtotal is $31 plus whatever tax. So I did pay $33.52 on my debit card. So but I got back $32.42 in Walgreens cash. Now, I think I said something wrong in the store. I think I said I was supposed to be getting 5 and 5 of Walgreens cash back from both the Dove and the Old Spice deal. In fact, that's not the case. One of them is 5 back from Walgreens cash, but the other is a $5 register reward. So hopefully I'll fix that in the video here so you'll know that. But I did get my $5 register reward back for whichever one it is. I have to figure out which one it is. I want to say it's the Old Spice, but I'm not completely sure on that. So anyway, I got that back. So how did I get back $32 when I was expecting $29, and subtract the 5 I thought I was getting, which would have been $24? Well, that ends up an extra $8 in Walgreens cash. Well, I had another spend booster. When you spend $15 4 times in the month, you're going to get $8 back. Well, I think I hit that, because that accounts for the other $8 in Walgreens cash, which means that this haul was even better than I thought. Now, I also submitted to Ibotta and should be getting back $7.50. It caught all 3 of them, no problem. And so I submitted it. It should come back anytime. And then I also submitted to Fetch, and it did give me the 3,000 points. So ended up making a huge moneymaker. I'm going to throw all the math up here because I don't even know. I was expecting an $8.50 moneymaker, but with this extra $8 back, it should be $16.50 plus that 42 cents there. So, you know, close to $17 moneymaker, which is completely crazy. I'm so excited about this deal. One more thing that made this deal a little bit sweeter is I happened to get I bought a bonus from Old Spice. I finally hit the 3 different participating products that I submitted for, and it gave me an extra $2 back. So instead of $7.50 back, I actually got $9.50 back from Ibotta. One other thing I got during this transaction was a 20% off of your next $10 or more purchase of regularly priced items. The last time I got this, I did not find something to use it on, but I'm going to try to use it within this next week here since it's such a great deal. Anything that I might need, and I can use some Walgreens cash. All right, so this next deal, I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to do. I did see it. I'm guessing it was either Jody Dunn or Coupons with Kayla because I watched both of them before I headed to Walgreens. Now I grabbed the Revlon lipstick. As you can see, it is regularly priced $11.99, and the sale is buy one get one 50% off. However, they're on clearance, so one ring up is $5.99, the other ring up is $2.99, and the $3 coupon did come off, the 3 off 2, so out of pocket was $5.98. I had planned on using Walgreens cash, but I was a little like, I get nervous doing this. I don't know if you guys get nervous, but I got nervous doing this and I forgot to say something, so I just paid the $6.52 with the tax. But then I submitted to Ibotta for 4 back on 1 for each of them. It picked it up as soon as I scanned it, so I didn't have to do much. So $8, it should be coming back here as soon as it comes back. I will have this completely free and a $2.01 moneymaker before tax. So I am so excited about that deal. That's amazing. I also got this $9 Walgreens cash when you spend $30 or more on your next in-store purchase for next week, which I'm so excited about getting these a week ahead of time so I can plan better. I was trying to get them and do them in the same transaction or the same day, I guess, within the next transaction. And that was very, very stressful not knowing what you were going to get. Now that I know what I'm getting, I can plan out my deal better. And so I'm so excited about this. I'm going to definitely be doing this deal next week. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss my Walgreens hauls. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful week. Let me know your favorite deals and if you score. Bye, guys.